common. Next is if a comma b is greater than equal to 0, means a and b are positive, then a minus b equals to a, I can write it as square root of a whole square minus square root of b whole square, which can be written as square root of a minus square root of b into square root of a plus square root of b. Next is a power 4 plus a square plus 1. So this can be written as, if I write it as a power 4, I can write 2a square plus 1 minus a square. I have added a square and subtracted a square. So this is nothing but a square plus 1 whole square minus a square. So if we apply a square minus b square, now this can be written as a plus b into a minus b. So which is a square plus a plus 1, a square minus a plus 1. Next. Next is definition of, okay, this is over. I will discuss definition of indices. The product of m factors, each equal to a, is represented by a power m. So what does that mean is, so a power m is nothing but a into a into a, like how many times? M times. Here a is called the base. A is base and m is the index. Or we can say power or exponent as well. So now we are going to write law of indices. What are the law that we follow here? First is a power m plus n, means if we have addition in power, that will be break into multiplication. Means a power m into a power n. Means from this side, if you look at it, means if the base is same, the power will add. Or if we have power in addition, we can break it to multiplication like this, where m and n are rational numbers. Okay. Second is a power minus m. This can be written as 1 by a power m, but the condition is a should not be equal to 0, provided a is not equal to 0. If a equals to 0 means right hand side will not be defined, so a should not be equal to 0. Next is a power 0, which is equal to 1. Here the condition is provided a should not be equal to 0. Fourth is a power m minus n, which can be written as a power m by a power n. Means if there are two terms which are in division and the base is same, then we take this term in numerator, obviously it will become negative, so we'll get it as a power m minus n, where m and n are rational numbers. And a is not equal to 0. Next is a to the power m to the power n, which is a power mn. Sixth one is a power p by q. So this I can write it as a power p power 1 by q, which means first we are taking pth power and then we are taking qth root. So this is nothing but qth root of a power p. Okay. This can also be written as a power 1 by q to the power p. Next is ab power n, which is a power n b power n. After this, we are going to discuss about intervals. Intervals are intervals are basically subsets of capital R, the set of all real numbers. Set of all real numbers and are commonly used in solving inequalities. If a comma b belongs to real number R such that a is less than b, then we can then define four types of intervals. Four types of interval. Okay. So first is, if I take it as name here and representation and description. First one is open interval. Open interval. In open interval, we take small bracket like this, A to B. Okay, you can see this. Okay, and it is written as x is such that x lies between A to B. A to B. That is, endpoints are not included. Endpoints are not included. Which means that here we can see that we have not put equal to sign. We are taking the values which lies between A and B. And if A and B are not included, we will put a small bracket like this. So this is known as open interval. Second one is closed interval. For closed interval, we will use square bracket. Okay. And the description will be x is such that x lies between A and B. It means that endpoints are included, are also included. This is only possible. This is only possible when A and B are finite. Means A and B should not be infinite. Okay. If A and B are infinite, then we have to put open bracket. Next one is open closed interval. Means semi-open, semi-closed. That also we can say. Open closed interval, which means A and B. At A we have open, at B we have close. So the description will be x is such that x lies between A to B. At B we have to put close, means we have to take equal here, which means that A is excluded and B is included. Similarly, if I take closed open here, closed open interval. So interval. Okay. Close means first we are closing at A and at B we are taking open interval. So which means x is such that at x is greater than A, here we have equal, and at B we are, this is open means we will not put equal sign. Here A is included. A is included and B is excluded. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.